Okay, welcome on my channel, welcome on my podcast, welcome on my page. Yes, welcome on my podcast. I want to podcast something. Okay, you saw the video topic, you saw the video title about this issue of our president or my president or your president, Dr. Emmerson Mnangagwa. There's something that some people caught me right, caught me well. I said some people or some Zimbabwean citizens, there's something that they don't know about this president, Dr. Emmerson Mnangagwa. Okay, let me go straight to the point. Let me delve straight into the issue. Dr. Emmerson Mnangagwa is on Facebook. Dr. Emmerson Mnangagwa is on Instagram. Dr. Emmerson Mnangagwa is on Twitter, now called X as the current name. Some Zimbabwean children, Zimbabwean people of whatever age, of whatever gender, they don't know about this, that their president, as old as he is, 82 years old man, 82 years old man, is on Facebook, 82 years old, is on Instagram, he is on Twitter, formerly X. And these are called social media platforms, these are called social media channels or social media handles. And as big as he is, as old as he is, 82 years old, soon to hit 90, and by the grace of God, again to hit 100 years, he'll be still on Facebook, on Instagram, on Twitter, now called X. But some Zimbabweans, they're not even there. And they don't know what the president is posting. They don't know what their president or my president is posting on Facebook, on Twitter, on Instagram. They don't even care about whatever he's posting. What kind of updates, what kind of developments, what kind of projects, what kind of speeches, what kind of communications is he posting or uploading on Facebook, Instagram, Twitter? They don't even know, and they don't even care. Some Zimbabweans, they don't even care. But this man is their president, or is our president in Zimbabwe, Republic of Zimbabwe. I'm saying this from a place of being concerned as a Zimbabwean, fellow Zimbabwean in this country, Zimbabwe. We have to know what is he posting. We have to know what is uploading, what kind of speeches or what kind of projects, like I said, what kind of developments, what kind of communications or messages is he sending to the Zimbabwean populace, Zimbabwean population? What is he sending? What is he saying? We have to know. We have to understand. Every Zimbabwean, as long as you have a good smartphone, a good mobile phone, access to data, access to internet, access to Wi-Fi, connect and follow your president, follow our president, Dr. Emmerson Mnangagwa, to know what is he posting, what is he uploading, what kind of message, communication, what kind of developments or projects is he talking about, is he preaching about on social media platforms as a president of Zimbabwe, as a national leader, top leader, as a grandmaster of this country, Zimbabwe? We have to know. We have to understand everything. As his children, he is our father, the leader of this country. As his children in the Zimbabwean family, Zimbabwean kingdom, we have to know what is he doing as a top leader of this country, as a top administrator of this country. But some Zimbabweans, from my research and from my study, they don't even care. They don't even care about that. All in the name of, I don't like him, I don't want him, I'm coming from an opposition political party, so I don't care about him, I'm against him, I'm against his projects, I'm against his developments, I'm against whatever his philosophy, I'm against his ideology, I'm against this or that, this or that. All in the name of that. And they don't care to listen to him. They don't even care to follow him up, especially on social media platforms, as he communicates, as he posts this and that, as a president, as far as the social, economic, and political development of Zimbabwe is concerned. So I'm speaking, talking from a place of being concerned. I'm crying from my heart, like, Zimbabweans, they have to follow this man. They have to follow up this man, even on social media platforms. Go on Twitter, follow him up. Go on Facebook, follow him up. You understand? Go on Instagram, click that blue button, follow him up, and know what is he posting, communications, projects, development, speeches. What is he saying? Is very, very important. Very, very important. Very, very important. So this is what some other Zimbabweans, they don't know, that their president, Dr. Emerson Mnangagwa, is on Facebook, Twitter, Instagram, and all his accounts are verified with a blue mark, blue tick, blue mark. They are verified, legit to the core, legit to the point. So it's easy to identify him on social media platforms. Very, very easy. And the title of his name is Dr. Emerson Mnangagwa, the president of Zimbabwe, executive president of Zimbabwe. This is how you see it labeled like that, or branded like that, written like that. Let's follow him up. It's just my personal plea, personal pleading that let's follow him up and what's happening as pertain to Zimbabwe. Zimbabwe news, Zimbabwe affairs, Zimbabwe current news, Zimbabwe's development, politically, socially, economically, cultural. I'm done talking on this one. What are your comments on what I've said? Drop right type in the comment section. I'm done talking. Peace out. See you on the next video, that I'm going to record. Peace out, sharp.